Let's see how to import sales and purchases with VAT from Excel to Tally. Using the well-known accounting program Tally, you can easily keep track of your financial activities. One of its primary capabilities is data import from multiple sources, including Excel files. If you wish to transfer sales and purchase data with VAT to Tally, this can be extremely helpful. Make sure your Excel file is properly formatted before attempting to import data into Tally. Each necessary piece of information, including the date, invoice number, customer or supplier name, and total VAT. Verify the accuracy and consistency of the data in each column. Use Tally ODBC to connect fast and flow Excel to Tally. Before importing data into Tally, a sample file needs to be exported from Tally. You can import either a sales or a buy invoice by going to Gateway of Tally Display List of Invoices and choosing the appropriate option. Select Excel as the export format by clicking the Export button. Launch Excel and save the exported file as a template. Your data import will use this template as the format. To enter your sales and purchase data with VAT in the relevant columns, open the template file. Go to Gateway of Tally Import of Data Invoices and choose the type of invoice you wish to import data into Tally. Select the proper template, and then choose the file you wish to import. The data will then be imported into Tally. To make sure the information has been imported, go to Gateway of Tally Display List of Invoices. In conclusion, if you follow these procedures, importing sales and purchases with VAT from Excel to Tally can be a simple procedure. You may save time and lower the chance of manual errors by importing data, ensuring that your financial records are correct and current. Get a free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fleetroot.com.